Next, calculate the revised balance owed by Bodger and Company on 15th March 2021 after the adjustments for trade discount and cash discount. Here they are saying on receiving the balance of their account, Bodger and Company informed Haman that the closing balance was incorrect because it had been agreed that the following terms would be applied to all transactions in 2021. Trade discount would be at 20% on purchases and 5% on the cash discount would be allowed on the payments. So now earlier we had included 10%, okay? So but it was 20% and 3% instead of that they will have a cash discount of 3%. So now we have to adjust the balance, okay? Now so let's adjust here, okay? Let's first calculate 20% of the trade. So what will be the sales amount, okay? He would need to pay if at all there was a trade discount of 20%. So then he would not have to pay 400. Instead he would have to pay 400 minus 20% of 400, that is equal to, he just need to pay 320. Okay, so that is equal to 400 minus 20% of 400 is 80. Okay, and that is equal to 320. So you would have bought at 320. Here also we'll include one more step. So this is for 400 minus 40 he would have had to pay, that is equal to 360. So here the sales he would have had to pay 320 only. Okay, then sales return. Okay, let's adjust the sales return. The sales return would have been sales return. Okay, we'll take the same sales return here. So the sales return would have been not at it is at now 20% discount. So 20%, so that is equal to 50 minus 10, that is equal to 40. Okay, so here it was equal to 50. Okay, so here it was equal to, it was equal to 50 minus 5. Okay, that is equal to 45. So now the sales return is different now. Now let's calculate for the bank and the discount allowed. Okay, the bank and the discount allowed. So let's calculate, because it has been revised that cash discount allowed. Okay, cash discount allowed was not at 3%, now it is at 5%. So if this is at 5%, okay, if this is at 5%, then the adjustments would be equal to 5% of 500 would become 25 pounds, and this one will be 95% of 500. Okay, 95% of 500, that is equal to 475. So it is equal to 475. Now these are the things that would have happened. Now we have to adjust, because here it was said that it was 315. Now let's start making the adjustment backwards. Okay, so outstanding balance. Okay, the balance from balance brought down. Okay, balance brought down on the 5th of March. Okay, on 16th of March 2021, it was 315. Okay, so I'm going to write the same thing. So it would be 315 debit. Okay, it's a positive, it's on the correct side. So 315 will have to adjust now. So 315. Then I see that on this side, what are the what are the differences that's going to happen. That's how I'm going to adjust this. Okay, so here I see that the sales return adjustment. So let me make sales return adjustment. Okay, adjustment for sales return first. Okay, it will be equal to, this one was 40 but earlier was 45, so 40 minus 45. So this I have to add, so it will become, okay, so I will, because it's on the same side, I'm going to add this. This is 5, this difference is 5. Then you have adjustment for bank and the cash discount. Okay, adjustment for bank. So adjustment for the bank would be, now it is 475, earlier it was 485. Okay, so that means there is a decrease of 10 pounds to the adjustment. And then you have adjustment for, okay, adjustment for cash discount allowed. So the adjustment for the cash discount allowed was, now it is 25. Okay, now it is 25 and earlier it was 15. So now this one will be 10. Okay, then for the trade receivables, okay, adjustment for the sales. Okay, we will adjust the sales also. So adjustment for the sales would be, okay, now it is the discount value has changed from 80. Okay, now it is 80. Earlier the discount was 40. Since it's the opposite side, I will have to reduce this, minus 40. Now let's calculate the total. So 315, okay, so 315 minus 5, then minus 10 plus 10 will get cancelled, minus 40, so that is equal to 270. So the adjustment value will be equal to 270. Okay, so this is the value of the adjustments. This is the revised balance owned by this thing after adjustments of cash discount and trade discount. Okay, so and then you have to include the pounds here.